this, I get asked this question all the time. There are no known definitive studies that show that running in and of itself causes arthritis. None. Now, there's a couple studies, if I recall, that might show that people who ultramarathoners might be a little higher risk. But there's really no definitive studies that show that running causes arthritis. Now, once you have arthritis, meaning that tread is wearing down, um, there are a lot of people that we have who have arthritis who still want to run. So there's ways around it, especially I have my runner's personality and I also have my doctor's personality, or my runner hat, my doctor hat, and they have to meld together sometimes when I'm talking to runners, because they're difficult patients. We are. Um, Running isn't the best exercise in the world if you have arthritis. If your cartilage is already wearing down, there are some studies that show that it could potentially wear down faster if you already have arthritis. But again, that doesn't mean you can't run for sure. It's not the most doctor highly recommended exercise to do. But there are people like ourselves who just love running. And so we will work with people to try to get them back running. We may have to modify things. There's a lot of things we can do. But in general, there's no studies that show that running causes arthritis.